The 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, trip computer, compass, fog lights, CD player. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.